Now, we have these expressions here that we need to have a look at and check how to go about drawing them, because loads of times you have portraits with different expressions, and if we haven't worked on the expressions themselves, then it's a bit harder. So let's try and work on any of these. Well, you would say the most difficult one would be the teeth here, the one with the teeth, which is the middle right, or even the middle row. So the middle right will be, you have the mouth, the upper lip, lower lip, and if you notice, I'm not drawing lines, because by drawing lines you again, as we said many times, you're committing yourself. So draw the, more than anything, I'm not drawing accurately, because that cannot be accurate. As soon as you start, it cannot be accurate. But I'm drawing the expression, as I said to Ian earlier on. Just draw the expression more than anything. And then you have the nose, which when people laugh, it's a female in this case, when she laughs, when most people laugh, well, not most, but always the upper lip goes up, moves up, to very, very close to the nose. And you have sideways, there's a little bit of a shadow on the sideways, and leave that light area here. And the nostril, same nostril. And the teeth here. So the teeth, what I'm going to do on the teeth, we just give it a shading like that before you do the white of the teeth. And that's the cheek. We have a little bit of jaw. So I'm on this one, on the right, the immediate, the last expression here on the middle row. Then you have the jaw, the chin, and the same thing, darker on the side, lighter on the chin itself. And for the teeth, will be the upper teeth are longer, or they show a lot more than the lower teeth. Plus, at this stage, I would use the putty rubber, but not a lot. Try not to do lines. Try not to commit with lines in between the teeth, because that's what it can go wrong very quickly. There. See, that's good enough. I'll show it. I'll show it to you. I'll show it. So there, and just to be a little bit more. Sorry, Ian. Sorry.
Manel is just coming.
Oh, Manel is coming. Yes. Okay. Yes. Yeah. And then obviously the edge of the edge of the mouth here. There. Huh? Here. There. 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 Yeah. And darker here. That might not be very symmetrical, because the angle I'm seeing it is obviously is hard. And hi, Manel.
Good morning. Hello.
Morning.
Good morning.
Sorry I'm late.
That's right. And then you have a little bit more highlight on the lower part of the teeth, lower part of the lip, and there as well. And here, darker, and darker here. Again, it might be a little bit asymmetrical, the mouth, or the lips at least, because of the angle that I'm looking at it. Okay. Okay, now for Ian to have a look. Ian? You see the expression?
Yeah.
Now that's the most difficult, because you have the teeth.
Yeah.
So, as you see, if you approach it that way, basically again, do not draw lines, just draw shades. You see, I've started with loads of shadows, or loads of shadows, both sides, both ends, and underneath the nose creates a cast shadow here. Well, here, just darker underneath the nose, there. And going in a lot darker now to create that wonderful expression of the mouth. Bit more edgy here, which creates the skin. Huh? And look, another way of doing it, look, darken it first, huh? And then bring, with a putty, highlights. Dot, dot there, see? That's the approach, that's the right approach. Well, again, that doesn't mean that you can do it only with charcoal, you can do it in pencil, but with charcoal you get to the darks pretty quickly, and again, you are less committed to lines which they might not work because they might be, the expression might not be there, but with charcoal you can easily get to the darks, plus it creates a beautiful, it looks more organic basically, in my view anyway. There. And if I want to emphasize, to not emphasize the line in between the teeth, emphasize the teeth underneath here, the line here, not the line in between the teeth, because that will look, it just doesn't look very